Hello guys, the app that we are going to build today is a weather app, as you can see here. I'm going to walking you through all the things that we are going to be doing on this app. First, we have the document title, which is on the top here of the browser that says weather app. Then we have a heading that says the same, weather app. We have an input text where we will be typing the city that we want to get the weather from. We have a button that says wet weather. We have a white area here where the matches, or in this case, the results about the weather will be showing once we type the city. And then we have a footer here that says made by, in this case, in my channel is Flutist Programmer. So the functionality that we have here is that when we type on the input text, let's type a city, for example, in this case, Miami, and I click on the enter key. As you see here, I will be getting a match, and then it will be showing in Celsius the grade in the city, and as well as a small, in this case, forecast about the weather in today's video. So let's try with another city. In this case, for example, Bentonville. In this case, as you see, the result changes because it's a different city. We can do the same also by clicking on the get weather button. So if by some chance right now, for example, um, let's change to another city, like for example, Houston, and I just click on get weather, I will be getting the same result. So basically, you can trigger the API service by clicking on the enter key on the keyboard, or in this case clicking on the get weather. Both of them will be making the API call and then showing you the match about that city that you want to know the weather. And the last thing that I want to show you is that, for example, if by some reason I type like some gibberish city that doesn't exist, if I try to look for it, we'll be getting a match that says city not found. So stay with me on the coding section, because this app is going to be really beautiful, very entertaining to build, and also you are going to learn the basics about how can you consume third-party APIs. So let's go, guys.